another alternative in southern Nyanza. Makofi basi. Can I ask my dear friend Simba Arati from Kisii? Simba is the youngest governor among us and is very effective and very assertive, and I think that he's doing a good job in Kisii. Simba.
Thank you, Prof. Your Excellency, the Deputy President, na wananchi watukufu, habari zenu. Good afternoon. Allow me to mention two things. Number one, I want just to ascertain that Kisii, all Nyanza, is not Kisumu. Nyanza is not Siaya. Nyanza is not Homa Bay. Nyanza is not Migori. Nyanza, it is Kisii. It's important for us indeed to realize so. Kisii, again, Kisii, Nyamira, those are one people down to the lake. Because I had the CS housing, you just mentioned of projects around the lake. Know that Nyanza runs all the way to the border of Bomet. Your Excellency, the question we must ask ourselves, the take home, the tangible ones, what are we picking from this investment? I'm happy with the CS Paranya. Again, we'll be having another conference of investment next year. Then what? This is the question. I want to say that we are planning one in China. I hope that it will be able to bring many, and I've spoken to my professor to see how we can be able to enhance again the other part of the world. Number two, Your Excellency, there is this railway that we are talking about. And this railway is going to come from Naivasha, pass through the periphery of Nyamira, all the way to Kisumu. For the organizers, Owalo, you spoke very well. Make sure it passes through Kisii. That's the only time that we'll know that we are in. The last bit I want to just comment, know that we were number one in the world in production of barethra. Of course, there was an issue before the devolution. We hope that we'll be able to revive that sector. We want to thank the UK government for the SWED program. We will be the first among the 14 municipalities to set up the waste management system, which they have funded to a close of 172 million. Probably at the end of the month, we'll be having it, the only one in Kisii here, and the whole region as it were. Your Excellency, there is a program. When we came to the office, we were not in the same boat. Therefore, I was wondering, how can I get to State House? I called the president, graciously invited me. The only thing took me there, it was the issue of Kenya-UK Health Alliance. This is a program which was started with my predecessor, who did very well. And I want to ask my brother Migosi, because this thing falls under your department. So far that thing has passed through the cabinet, now it's implementation. Because as Kisii, we are leading in the field of health. Again, I want to assure you, we did, Your Excellency, make it possible that Kisii, yes, they spoke, others, I mean the hub, others were the spokes. This is Maseno, Masinde Mliru, what else? For those ones who know, there is Kebabi, there is Bomet. Your Excellency, if we had that one, we'll have this region as a destination of health issues. I'm happy I saw somebody from India that is already there who is interested in health. How I wish that you get space in Kisii and Nyanza as it were. I can see her. Professor, given that you are our chairman, I want to plead with you and ask my brother Opio. You know, the other day you spoke of 4 counties, but I corrected you that even Kisii and Nyamira, they are part of Nyanza. And we had gotten money for electricity. Please let us address ourselves. This is what I came here for. Let us address ourselves to Nyanza and as a country. Thank you and God bless you.
Actually, Governor Arati is right. The historical origin of Nyanza goes back to what the colonialists called Kavirondo. Northern, southern, and central Kavirondo. So if you talk about Nyanza, you can't leave out Nyaribo, you can't leave out Ken Lusaka. All these are part of the old Kavirondo, which is now Nyanza. So let me call another member of this Kavirondo, Gaf. I think we have the, have I called Nyaribo? Da Ochila Yako? Yes. Nyakwar Jamoko. Please come. That is the governor of Migori, if you don't know. And Migori is also one of those counties with very good beaches. Please.
Thank you very much, our chair. Your Excellency, the Deputy